fountain of every blessing. River in beside sea to take every blessing of this soul. I believe for every drop of rain that falls, a flower grows. I believe it's no something. Yes, I believe in a mighty fortress is our God. All victories won and pleased to praise. All glory to his name. All praise and sing the King I am. No matter what the fight, we struggle in the light to overcome the wrong and live righteous for right. Oh Lord, you come again. Till then we fight our sin. When I think about the morning, when I think about creation and the islands of the sea and the trees you, Lord, you be magnificent, spectacular, miraculous, your hand. When I smell the growing sage and see the flowers bloom, magnificent, miraculous, the work of your hand. It's a hummingbird and a finch. Look. Look. He just took off. Good morning. Are you getting your nectar? Did you get your nectar? Hey. What are you doing? What are you doing, my little friend? Good morning, sunshine. Good morning. The answer, my friend, is blowing in the wind. The answer is blowing in the wind. How many roads must a man walk down before you can call him a man? How many seas must white dove sail before she sleeps in the sand? Yes, and how many times must cannonballs fly before they're forever banned? The answer, my friend, is blowing in the wind. The answer is blowing in the wind. Yes, and how many years must a mountain exist before it is washed to the sea? Yes, and how many years can some people exist before they're allowed to be free? Yes, and how many times can a man turn his head and try to pretend he just doesn't see? Well, the answer, my friend, is blowing in the wind. The answer is blowing in the wind. Yes, the answer, my friend.